Hi guys! Today I have the Deck of Scarlet edition number 4 makeup palette, and this is in collaboration with Deck of Scarlet and Melly Sanchez. She is a beautiful YouTuber, so go check out her channel. And all of Deck of Scarlet's makeup is cruelty-free and paraben-free. And oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, yep, I just stuck my finger in it. Oh well, it's not going to look perfect. Sorry guys, I just stuck my finger in the lipstick. But this is the gorgeous palette. Oh, that's so pretty. It comes with 3 eyeshadows, 2 lipsticks, a highlight, love, and a blush. So these are full face makeup palettes delivered to your door. It's an actual subscription for $29.95 a month. And I have a coupon code for you guys to get your first palette for only $21 with the link below in the description box. You also get free US shipping with every purchase, and you can skip or cancel at any time. I also love that you can choose whichever palette you want at any time. This one also comes with a lip crayon.
I love you so much, Mama. Period. Filming right now. Chat later.
So I am going to start out by using the blush on my eyelids. This color is adorable. And I'm going to use a clean, fluffy brush just to blend that in a little bit. Next, I'm going to use this color, Sagittarius. And I'm just gonna darken up the outer corner of my eye and the crease. And I'm just blending that out again. And I'm going to use this gorgeous steel charcoal color called New York. Look at that pigment. Oh, I love Deck of Scarlet's makeup. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to use the same brush with nothing on it just to blend that in. Now I'm going to use this gorgeous blue color called Diamond Dust. Ugh, love this. Tiny bit of fallout on my skin, but nothing major at all. Just brush that off. And I'm going to use the blush Adorable on my cheeks just to pull the same color through my face. All of their palettes are super creamy and pigmented. Love them. I'm just gonna blend a little more with Sagittarius. And I'm going to use this highlight, Pinot Grigio. Oh, beautiful. I thought it was gonna be too yellow, but I absolutely love it. Put a tiny bit on my nose and under my eyebrow. I'm gonna pull a little bit into the corner of my eye, see how that looks. There are so many different endless looks that you can get with all of their palettes. It's so nice to be able to experiment and try different looks. And I'm gonna line the top lash line with a black eyeliner. And I'm using my Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Roller to clean up around my eyes. And I'm going right over the eyeliner with the Sagittarius color. And I'm going to brighten this up just a little with the Diamond Dust. And for mascara, this is the first time I'm trying this. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof mascara in Blackest Black. So when I edit this video, I will let you know how I like it, how it wears. And I always tightline with my mascara. So far, I really like it. We'll see how it wears now. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Sagittarius to darken the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to use the lip color Sasha. Oh, love. Super creamy, love the color. I actually think I like it lighter like that. Let me add a little bit of the lip crayon and see how that looks. Love it. And I'm using my Pure Bliss Organic Tea Setting Spray. Another amazing makeup palette from Deck of Scarlet. I have never been disappointed. If you guys are interested in checking out this palette or all of their other makeup, I will put the link down below in the description box with a coupon code. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!